Tai Chi walk. So one of the thing about Tai Chi is it give you better balance, right? So when someone refer to Tai Chi walk, um, if you are serious in taking Tai Chi, that's a very specific way that we practice walking.
Yes.
But this is, probably a uh, bit much for beginner. So, but you could do, even for beginner, you could do things that will improve your balance. So, for example, one thing you could do is stand on one leg. So when you first begin, just try to put all the weight here. On the other foot, you could just kind of like stand on tiptoe.
Don't lock your knee.
Don't lock your knee. Just bend your knee, and then just kind of lift your heel up. When you get better at it, then you could lift your whole foot up. And just the key is to relax the dangling foot. Don't be tight. Some people get very tight. Just let it dangle like that. Okay. And then if you can get better at that, what you can do is you stand on one leg, lift up one foot, and basically just try to lift up sideways. You do it. You try to lift up as high as you can. So even just a few inches off the ground is enough. Okay, and then later on you could do the other type of flexibility thing, like you could slightly kick to the side a little bit. Yeah, like that. Exactly like that. So just turn your foot a little bit to the side. And if you cannot stand very long and have to put your foot down, it's okay. The important thing is just try it. But the first step is just stand on one foot and just try to do at least like 10 seconds. And then, of course, do the other foot. Um, that will help a lot. And if you want to progress to the next step, is really just you stand on one foot and just step out. And when you put it down very deliberately. By that I mean, don't just go boom and then walk up. You go, yep,
Toe, and that's before you shift any weight.
yep, heel, toe,
Then you shift weight.
and just like that. For the really beginner and people with some mobility issue, that's all you do. And then you could put your foot back, and then you could do the other foot. So step out, heel, toe, and then walk up. And that's it. Okay. So I would say for people who need to increase their balance, that would be the first step.
I think a key to doing it well, though, is make sure that when you put that foot down first, there's no weight on it.
Yeah.
You're not putting any weight. I've got my heel and my toe here. I can lift it up at any time. I
Yeah.
have no weight here.
Yep.
Only when you're ready, commit to moving the weight on top of it.
Yep. So the idea with a lot of Tai Chi and internal martial art is you maintain control of your body. So everything, when you first started, is very deliberate. You think about it. So, and not just let your body momentum take over. Anyway, that's the Tai Chi walk. I hope it will be useful.